What's up everybody, Colin here for Techout, and today we are going to be doing a review of Apple's Techwoven case, and this is the successor of the fine woven case that Apple released a couple years ago when they discontinued using leather in their phone cases. And the fine woven cases were pretty bad. They fell apart pretty quickly. They did not hold up. The backs would separate, all kinds of issues. In the Techwoven cases, they're a little bit better. I have seen a few reviews where they did not hold up and people were having some issues with them. But I've had this case here for a few months now, and I've been using it on and off on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I just wanted to show you guys how it's been holding up. I have not had any issues with this case. I actually really like this case. I mean, these are kind of regarded as Apple's, one of Apple's most hated cases, the Techwoven and the fine woven cases. Techwoven being better than, the first version, which was called fine woven. I have not had any issues with any of my case, falling apart or separating around the edges or the back or anything like that. And I actually really like how this case feels in the hand. It's very textured on the back right here, so it gives a nice grip. You've got your aluminum power buttons like you used to get on the leather cases. Or not power buttons, but power button, and then your aluminum volume and action button over here, as well as your camera control. It's not a cutout, it's actually a pass-through. So the sensors actually, pass through to the case right here. So there's no cutout on the case to weaken it or, make you have to stick your finger through like some cheaper cases have. I have seen a lot of cases on the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro that are using this rather than when the 16 came out. A lot of them were just cutouts, so you had that area unprotected, and you had to get your, you had to stick your thumb through the case or whatever finger you were using to actually use the camera control. So that's not the case here, which is very nice. You do have your cutouts for your speakers, your microphone, your USB-C, and you have the attachment points if you want to get the optional crossbody strap. That's what those are for right there. They are reinforced as well, so they don't just rip out of the case super easy. They have little inserts there for that. So very nice. Overall, this case has been holding up for the few months that I've been using it on and off, sliding in and out of my pocket, in my pocket with another phone, all that kind of stuff, because I do carry two phones, one personal phone and then my work device. So this has been holding up very well, and I have not had any issues with it, as you can see. So I will link one down below if you want to pick one up. Best Buy carries them, Amazon carries them, Apple carries them. You can find them just about everywhere. So nice case. Like I said, I do like the feel in the hand with that textured back. It makes the phone very grippy and easy to hang on to, and it doesn't feel like it's just going to slide right out of your hand. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.